Before you can start using natural gas in your home, some form of construction will have to be completed to connect you to our natural gas pipeline. We here at South Jersey Gas know you have concerns about all the digging and excavating we'll be doing. But no, South Jersey Gas will restore disruptions occurring from your natural gas installation. Restoration won't be completed the same day as the installation of new natural gas lines, but soon thereafter we'll take action to restore the land. Any areas disturbed during the installation process will be replaced with similar or like materials. In some cases, we may only be able to temporarily restore the area until a later date, when full restoration can be done. For instance, new asphalt can be applied anytime so long as the weather permits, while laying new topsoil and planting seed can only be done between April and October. Likewise, concrete can only set when the temperature is above freezing. Concrete doesn't like to be cold either. We want to make it easy for you to switch to natural gas. That's why restoring the land is so important to us. South Jersey Gas is here to provide you with clean energy and a clean yard.